Hi, good morning. This is Suzanne Seeley with Suzanne Style Snips. Today I want to address the issue of having a small room that you want to make larger. And one of the most important things to consider is lighting. It's not something that people think about a lot. They think of overstuffed and large furniture doesn't belong there, and I'm going to agree with that. When you have a small space, you do want to go a smaller scale everything and a less clutter, and that also includes the paintings and different things on the wall, groupings on the wall. But lighting is very, very important. If you have a small space, you want to flood your walls with light, and you do that by adding sconces. You could maybe do cove lighting or something that is going to accentuate the outer borders of the room and flood the room with light. It will make it look larger. Neutral carpeting does the same thing. You want neutral everywhere, neutral walls, but the lighting you definitely want to go around those neutral walls. Keep a light palette in the room because everything you do in that room is going to make a bold statement. Be careful of your moldings in a small room, because anything you put around the walls, wainscoting, chair railing, moldings, anything will define the room and contain the room. And one more thing, you might want to be very careful and avoid large patterns in a small space. So modify your scale on everything. Okay, thank you. This is Suzanne Seeley. Please like, subscribe, and pass along my blog.